Hello, Mr. Solis here. Just going to go ahead and go over this real quick. Solving for supplements and complements, that's what we're looking for. So remember, supplements are 180 degrees. Remember, S makes an 8. And then complements are 90 degrees, so this right here is 90. So words to go ahead and watch out for. Anything with addition. So I'm just going to go ahead and circle the words here for addition. So let's see, more. Let's see, sum, that's addition. So these are plus words, plus, plus. Increased. Let's see, total, that's adding. Let me see, product double, let's see, out of difference. Okay, so right here, we just leave that alone. So subtraction, so we're going to subtract right here. So subtraction words, difference, that's a minus. Let's see, quotient, no, double, triple, decrease, that's a minus. Ratio, that's a fraction. So let's see, triple, double, less. So that's another minus word. Then we got multiplication. So multiplication here, if I do this right here twice, that's 2 times. Product, that's definitely multiplication. Let's see, triple, that's 3 times. Let's see, doubled, just 2 times. Okay, and that should be enough right there. And then finally, we have quotient or division. So that's a division word, quotient, out of, 1 out of 5, which would be 1/5. And then ratio is definitely a fraction, so that's another division right here. I find that it's easier than just going ahead and just writing here, so we have that right here. So when you see this right here on these particular problems, right here we have 3 less than a number. So we're going to take a number and we're going to subtract 3 from it because that's always written somewhat backwards. Always go from right to left, sort of like Japanese maybe. So in this example over here, 7 more than the product of a number and 6. So so this is the first part that we look at. So it's saying that we're taking 6 and multiplying that by a number. So a number is going to be the variable x. And then more than, we're going to add 7 to that. So as you can see, just going backwards on the sentence, we can go ahead and do this very, very quickly. The sum of 11 and triple a number. So it's 3 times x and the sum of 11, so that's going to be plus 11. This and part here is sort of like our plus right here for this. So we're taking the number first, which is 3x, triple a number, and then we add 11 to it. So that right here where you see that word sum goes ahead and activates this. Double a number decreased by 13. So you take this as it is. So 2 times x minus 13. And so that's where that one comes in. I'm not going to do the quick check. We're just going to move on. Okay, alrighty then. Complementary, supplementary, we already talked about this. This is 90 degrees. Well, I don't know why it did that. Undo. Okay, so we have complementary, which stands for 90 degree right here, so 90. Remember, the C can turn into a 9, and the S turns into an 8, so it's 180. So they have a sum of 90 degrees, and the sum of 180. And the example right here, always draw this right here. It's going to have a little thing. And this is angle 1 and angle 2. This is 90 degree angle. And then linear pair is the easiest one to go with for supplementary, angle 1 and 2. And straight angles are always equal to 180. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180. So this is where we find some really interesting stuff. Find the measure of an angle if its measure is 78 less than its complement. Complement stands for 90 degrees. So we have the 90 degree angle right here. So we have 2 angles that add up to 90. So when it says its complement is your x. So right here, that's always x. So x plus whatever this is right here, we're going to have 2 angles, is going to be right here. Since it says, oh no, 5-minute warning. Okay, sorry about that. No, the bell's about to ring. So we have x minus 78. So we just take x minus 78. That's what it means by complement. Then we just set this up. X plus x minus 78 equal to 90. So this is 2x, and we're going to subtract 78 also right here. So let me see, that's going to be 168. Then you divide both sides by 2. So x is equal to, let me see, that's 84. So my first angle is going to be my x, so measure of angle x is going to be 84. And then if I go ahead and plug in 84 minus 78, well, that's going to give me 6. And so that's what my answer is for this one. And that's 6. Find the measure of an angle and find the measure of an angle if its measure is 81 degrees more than twice its supplement. So the word right here that's a key is supplement. So supplementary, 180 degrees, one of the angles x. Then we go ahead and use this statement to go ahead and give us the equation for the other angle. So that's 81 more than twice its supplement. So it's 2x plus 81. So this is 100. Well, let's see. Sorry about that. Let me go ahead and back this up a little bit. So right here we have 2x plus 81 plus x is equal to 180. So now we have 3x, and I'm going to subtract 81 from both sides, so that gives me 99. So then we divide both sides by 3, so x is equal to 33. So the first angle is 33. The second angle, well, that's going to have 66 plus 81. So let me see, that is, let me just do that real quick. I'm going to use the calculator right now. Just wanted to just get this out of the way. 66 plus 81, that's 147, and that's it. Okay, then that's all there is to it on this. So I'm going to be posting this to Schoology, and you'll get this.